presenting a pre-owned 2016 Fiat. This two-door hatchback has engine, with front-wheel drive and a 1-speed direct-drive transmission. This Fiat is a great value with less than 48,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 121 miles per gallon in the city and 103 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, navigation system, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.